Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yondi. Today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to save edit in Euro Truck Simulator 2. There will be a couple steps for today, which is gonna be the console, the in-game debug camera, and the save profiles, and some other simple codings, and yeah. Without further ado, let's go into the video. Let's go. We're gonna be opening our documents. The documents will be in either your task bar or in your Windows. If you don't know where the documents are, you can press on the Windows key and go to Documents. Second, we're going to hover to the documents in the folder in this PC. It will be documents for your game, for your folder or file explorer. So once you clicked on it, you will see there's a Euro Truck Simulator 2 here. For me, I have a lot of stuff, so please be patient and look for yours. Make sure yours is documents and then Euro Truck Simulator 2. Once you find your area here, click inside into Euro Truck Simulator 2. And you see this big file of unknown stuff. Like, yeah, you can barely understand what these are. There's mods, there is profiles, review profiles, screenshots, and histories backups. So today we are going to be only focusing on two areas. And if you guys want other video explaining what these are, then I'll make another video by commenting down below if you guys are interested. So today we're going to be focusing on two areas. One is the profiles. And the other one is the config. There is a config inside of the documents. First, we're gonna be opening the config. For me, I already have this put it into Notepad++. If you don't have Notepad++, I'll put it in the link down below in the description for you to download it. But if you don't mind, you can also use the Notepad and open as it. So once you open your config, you will see there's a big chunk of codes, like you don't understand anything. It's fine. I will hover you to the area that you should be in around. First of all, you're gonna press Ctrl F on your keyboard just to take out your search bar. If not, I'll use the notepad in the Windows default. So this is what it should look like in Windows default. Like, no matter where you are, if you're in Windows 11 or Windows 10, as long as you're using Notepad, it's fine. Once you're in config, you're going to be pressing Ctrl and F, and it comes out this search bar. This is a search bar that we pretty much use most of the time. You can go for directions up, like searching it upwards or searching it downwards. So the first one we're gonna do is type in save underscore format. And direction down. Find now. In save format, change this 0 to 2. But if you're using Truckersmp, this will automatically change this to 0. So you can do it in game. I'll show you how to later on. And the second one is console. We're gonna be searching it directions down again. And in console, we're gonna be looking for G_console. We're gonna change this from 0 to 1. You guys will show this area 0. Change this to 1. And after you change this to 1, we're gonna be searching the last one, which is developer. Sorry. Developer. So developer, we'll be changing the 0 to 1 as well for G_developer. After this is done, we are pretty much done here. And you're gonna be pressing the file and then save. Or you can also press Ctrl S. Yes, we're gonna be saving this. And yeah, this part is done. And now you have the console ready. You have the camera ready, and you have the profiles ready to go. After that, we're going to be opening Steam, or you can also launch your game via desktop, and we're going to be launching the game. Alright, so my game is launched now, and the first step will be pressing drive button. And this will take a little bit for it to load for me because I'm launching it in single player, so yes. So now we are in game. And why is my rim so yellow? Wow. Alright. First of all, we'll be trying the camera first. How to use the camera? It will be on the numbers key on top of your keyboard, not the number pad key. Pressing the number key 0, and then it will put you on the under of the truck. This is fine. You don't need to worry about it. And how do you move? You'll be using the number pads. For 5 is going backwards. But pressing 8 is going forward. Pressing 4 is going left, and 6 is right. You might be asking, how are you supposed to go up if you're using this camera? So if you want to go up, you're gonna be pressing the number pads key 9, and it goes up like this. Yes, it goes up really easily, and pressing 3 is going down. If you want to make your camera go faster, you're gonna be scrolling your mouse scroll like forward or backwards to make it slower. Backward is making it slower, and forward is making it faster. So, yes, this is the flying camera. Alright, our flying camera is now finished. So let's go into the next part. The next part is activating our console. By pressing the button under ESC, you'll see there's a button below ESC button on your keyboard, which is a console key. I'm not really sure what key is that, but I will put it in the picture later on the right hand side. Oh, which key is that? After you finish pressing this key, you're gonna be trying one thing. First, move your mouse key and put it into the blue bar below. Oh yeah, the first time when you open the console, it will look like this in your screen. We're gonna be unpinning this, and it will just jump on the left top corner, and you can scroll, you can like grab it wherever you want. So we're gonna be typing in G_sit_time, and then spacebar, whatever time you want in game, like 7 AM, and it will change to 7 AM straight away. And there you go. Our time has changed, and you have successfully finished your first step of using the console. The next step is using the save format. So, back to that step, we're gonna be pressing the same button again to enable the console, and do say G_save_format and change it to 2. Because if you're using Truckersmp, it will change it automatically to 0. So you can change this to 2 in game, or you can also change the settings in Truckersmp to 2 as well. After this, we will be doing a save and load. We're gonna be save, like it's fine, whatever you want here. It doesn't matter what name it is. We're just gonna save it and press yes. If you have a World of Trucks license plate, we're gonna be pressing load game again, just to load the license plate on the truck. Yeah, let me give you an example. I have a truck in my area. I have a truck in my garage, and then I will be selecting this truck. I'll be selecting it and drive it, because I have a World of Trucks license plate. So once the truck is loaded, the license plate is not my license plate anymore. which is like, oh, okay. Yes, my license plate is here, I guess. But it's fine. We have changed our trucks, and now we can do save again and load again. It's quite annoying, but once you get used to it, you will get it faster. The next step is saving it again and pressing yes. We will be going to our documents, like right here. We're going to be opening profiles inside here and find the latest time of your save. You should only have one profile in here, and click inside of it and click on save. Once you clicked on save, you can see that there is 1 second. Oh my. Yeah, there you go. Once you've saved your save, you should be able to find one save in here that matches your real life time, which for me is 2:55 in the afternoon, and this one is 2:54. That's the one I want, and we'll be clicking inside of it, and you will see there is some things here. In this area, all we need is just two things. One is the game SII file and the SII decrypt file application. I'll be putting it linked down below for the SII decrypt, and you guys can download it and use it. Now we're gonna be dragging this into SII decrypt. You will see there's a flash screen instantly coming out. That means it's completed decrypted. So we're gonna be opening the thing, the game file, SI file. And you see for you, it will be on the really top here. And the first part is we're going to be going through this step by step. You can also use game engine to save edit your money and your XP. But if you want the more complex way, this is the way. By using SII, save editing coding, you can also make your money as much as you want. Like, you can press Ctrl F in the search bar. We're gonna be searching money. When we're going to be searching it direction downwards so that it goes to it. So this is not the one we want. Yes, this is the one we want. Bank money underscore account. This is how much we have in our bank. You can put as much as you want as long as it doesn't go over 20. So for here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 digits. It's safe to make it only 11 digits, and that's it. Don't make it more than 10, 20, 15 or to 20 digits. It will make your money become negative. For EXP, we're going to be searching it EXP in the file here, the search bar here, we're going to be going directions upwards. And we're going to be looking for experience points. Experience underscore points. This is the one we want for our XP. You can put as much as you want. Like, you can even put like 100 digits on it. And yeah, that's not really realistic for you, right? So, this is one part where how we save edit our profiles for some single players. Like, you might see some of us have like 10, 11 billion money in the game. That's how we do it. Or we can also use the other applications like Cheat Engine or TS Tools. Yes, those are fine as well. Or you can also use Truckee to edit your profile, such as this thing, this thing, the Truckee. So, yeah. The next part is truck parts. So, we're gonna be searching our truck first by via your license plate. How do I look for my license plate in game? It's quite easy to look for the in game. There's two options where you can look it in game. One is by going really close to your truck and see the license plate on the bottom, and the other part is going to Truck Manager, clicking on the truck that you have on that's driving right now, and you can see by this area there's gonna be a license plate as well. You're gonna be remembering that and copy and paste it into search bar, like what I did. Like, my license plate is Yondi, so I searched on Yondi, and here's our truck. It shows the Scania S 2016, which is the right truck. First of all, there are some truck parts that is quite cool in the game. So if you want, you can also copy it by content browsers, truck browser, and then go to the truck you want, like this truck or this truck or any truck you want, as long as once you find the truck that you want, you can copy the truck part on the trucks. Like, I want a bull bar, like that. I want a bull bar. But if you want the things on it, then I suggest you buy a new truck, because in this area you're not able to copy the whole thing. So for me, I already have a Scania S here, and I have like a great some other stuff on it. And we will be going into here, searching for parts you want, like R_grill. We're going to be searching it upwards, and you'll see some grills I have on the truck. I can just copy the whole thing. Yes, if you have like R grill on the trucks, don't worry, just copy them, because we won't be needing this truck anyways. We're gonna be we're gonna be searching back our license plate here, and directions going down. Yes. And here's the important part of truck parts. If it doesn't fit the truck, please do not use it in Truckersmp, because if you do, you might get a ban for save editing or anything. Yeah. So I suggest you make sure the part actually looks like it's on the truck, or it's like sticks on the truck. And the other part is, if you're adding truck parts, remember your code should be at the area where they are supposed to be. Like, I have a vehicle add-on accessory as name. Remember, you must make them name in the same area first, such as like this. Their vehicle add-on accessory has the same names. Once you finish that, paste the code like me. I can show you again. Here, on the bracket on the bottom, we're going to be pressing 2 times Enter key. And then we're going to be pressing Control V to paste the code here. And then we're going to be deleting the numbers here. So the dot over here. We don't need these. After that, we're going to be scrolling up. We're going to be looking for the accessories on the top of at the license plate here. Remember, you won't have the same accessory as me. So copy the newest accessory nameless. Copy the thing behind it. Like, just copy the numbers right here. In accessories 55, copy the numbers at the back here. And then we're going to be scrolling back down, looking for our own codes. Paste it here. Paste it here. And we're going to change the 0 to 1. If you don't change the 0 to 1, it will not detect the parts. Once you fix this, you will be scrolling back up and copying the whole entire accessories, the newest one that you just copied. Copy this whole thing and press Enter once at the back. Don't just copy. Don't just like copy like that. No. You're gonna be copying this whole entire thing and paste it underneath so that there's 2 same codes. What I want you to do is, I want you to change 55 to 56. And then at the back of the nameless, we're gonna change the 0 to 1 matches the parts we just added. Once you finish this part, we're going to be scrolling really top to the accessories over here. This is an important area because if you don't add one more to the accessories, it will not read the parts. So how much parts you have here, you need to add 1 because 0 also count as a number. So for me, I have 56 accessories here. I have 57, a total of 56, but adding 0 is 57. So I'm gonna change this 6 to 7, and I'm gonna save the file. Yes, you can follow my step. You can save it, and then we're gonna be going in game. Once you're in game, you're gonna be pressing ESC, going to save and load game, and load the save you just saved. Alright, once you finished adding it, you should be able to see your truck with the stuff on it already. Like, I put it to Michelin on top of the truck. And yes, that's what I want. So, you're pretty much finished with the truck parts now. It's pretty much the same on everything, as long as you have the code on SII. Like, such as you want to change your side skirt. Yeah, you can go to truck browser. You can go to the truck you want, the Scania S, change it to the mid-lift, and then you wanted a plastic side. Yeah, that's the plastic side you want. Like, or you don't want the exhaust. Yeah, we're gonna be choosing the plastic V8 and opening console. Once you open console, you will see you can see there's a blue thing on the right bottom corner. You can make it bigger, and you will see there's a code right here. You can use your mouse right key to click on it, and then you can copy it. But don't copy the wrong thing, because if you copy the wrong thing, it will not work. Copy it from the /dev to .sii. That's all you need. Don't copy you don't need to copy the money, the level, or the accessories on the vehicle accessory on the front. You don't need to. Copy this by pressing Ctrl C and close the console. Go back to the notepad and search for side SK. Side SK. So you will see your side skirt right here. Every part is pretty much same name as what it's in English. So if you have exhaust, then it's exhaust. If you have like sun shields, it will be sun shields. So we're gonna be changing our side skirt to plastic. As you see, I already highlighted this area. This is the only area we need if you're replacing the truck parts. Other places? No. We don't need that. We don't need to worry about these slot names, slot hookup. We don't need to worry about it. All we need to worry about is the /dev to .sii. Please do not replace 2 commas because they are important. So we're gonna be replacing this into the console, into the accessory we just copied, and then we're gonna be pressing save. Control S, or pressing the save button. After that, we're gonna be loading the game as well again. We're gonna be loading the game. Make sure the part every time when you want to edit a part, you can always make sure that you can try editing it as much as you want, like this. That's it. Yes, we've successfully changed our side skirt. Alright, the next part is save editing. Like you see, I have a iPad over there. Yes, how do I do it? How do I like put them inside my truck? Or yeah, something. First of all, we're gonna be going into some Discord servers. I'm gonna be using another mod just to show you guys how to install it in. So I'm gonna be making one with a oh, this is not working. Oops. Okay. Yes, I was watching some Hidden Roads. I was quite bored. I'll be back really quick in 2 seconds. So I found the mod, which is simple and easy. So once you find the mod you want, it will show you in sharemods.com or whatever. You don't need to worry about it. There's nothing harm on this thing. Click on create download now. It will create a download link for yourself in the browser. And then the download link is ready. Click on it again. Click on start download. And click on, and it will show you that your thing is downloaded now. You can choose by extract it or also open it. If you don't know how to use these, you can use 7-zip or WinRAR for it to use it. For me, I'm using WinRAR to unzip it, so I'll be opening it and make sure this is the right part. Go into, once you open it, go into the folder that you see there's a TIR add-on, and yeah, inside here you will see there's code.txt. That's what we want. That's the code we want. Once you opened it, what we need to do is we're gonna cover back to this area. And let me put this side by side so that you can read it out as well. So here's some vehicle accessory add-on. And here is some accessory hookup data and entries. What does these do? So vehicle accessories hookup data is looking for the mod that you want to add in the game. And vehicle add-on is what I explained to you guys already. That's the add-on on the truck. That's the parts on the truck. So first, we're gonna be going very bottom of the notepad, like right here. As you see, I already have accessory hookup data, scan your GPS here. That's the one I have on the truck right now. And for this one, I'll be copying accessory data to this bracket right here. We're going to be copying this whole entire thing. And we're going to do the same thing as the truck parts. We're going to be pressing 2 enter keys and place it here. That's it for this part. And then you will see entries on the top over there. That's where to load the part. I mean, search for the parts as well for which version you want. Like, there's 2 versions. One is inbox, one is entries. For inbox, it's only for simulation servers. If you're looking for entries, it's for even like pro mods and simulations. Yeah, it's for 2 places. Pro mods and simulation is for pro mods, and simulation is for entries. If you're only for simulation servers, inbox is enough for you. But for me, I go for pro mods as well, so we're going to be searching for entries. You can also copy the name here and paste it inside the search bar. Directions looking up. Here you go. So you might be asking, where should bus log go? Where this entry goes? For you, it might be your first accessory add-on. So once you place your accessory hookup, you will see there's a bus job log right here, right on the top of right on top. We will be copying the whole thing here and pasting these entries inside of bus job log. Nowhere, don't place it on anywhere. We're going to only be placing it in bus job log. That's it. And then we're going to change the bracket XX into the certain number you have. Like, you might have 0 on top. You might have 1 on top. I have 9. So I'm going to copy the entries 9 on the top to the entries that you added. So if you have like 0 entries, you're going to be copying the 0 into the first entries to make it there's 1 entry. If you still don't understand, please write in the comment down below. What part are you still stuck on? I will reply to you really shortly. So for me, I have like 9 entries here. I'll be changing this 9 into 10 entries. This explains why everything is added 1. Like I mentioned that the truck parts and accessories, we need to add 1 more. So everything you see here, you need to add 1 more. So for the truck part now, this is going to be the last part. We are going to be looking for our truck, which is our truck license plate, which is Yondi. But for you, I don't know. And make sure the truck is the one you wanted. The auto meter is the same. The accessories are supposed to be 1 because you haven't saved the game yet. And now, as you've seen in vehicle add-on accessories over here, there's a F inlay cab. We're going to be copying this F inlay cab. We're going to be pasting it in the search bar and going directions down. And you might see you might be seeing there's like in F inlay cab already. Yes, that's what we want. We're gonna be adding slots here. So we're going to be copying the slot name here. And then we're going to be placing it here. As you see, in F inlay cab, we're adding slots here. So we're going to be changing this slot name into 1 because we added one slot here. Same as the one on the hookup. We're going to be copying it and paste it here. We're going to be changing this 0 to 1. We're going to be also copy this where because you need it by 1 point. Yes. And yes, this is pretty much finished. Some things like set glass. If you don't see set glass, you're gonna be doing the same thing how the truck part does. You're gonna be copying this whole entire thing and then add it like what I did in here. The truck parts. And once you copy this whole entire thing, you're gonna be pasting it right here, like this whole entire code, and paste it here below 1. If you want to make sure the thing works, but we have it in an FLay, so we don't need to worry about it. And also, one important stuff about the codes, if there is no refund here, you need to add it by yourself. Like for example, there's no refund on this code at all. No refund. So what you do is you're gonna be going to data path, the end of the data path. You're gonna press enter once and put the refund under it, so that it reads the code. If it doesn't have if it doesn't have a refund, it won't work. But we have it already, so we can press save or Control S. We're gonna minimize this and keep this open because I'll be explaining to you how to make it work. So how does the folder go into the the folder here? How does the mod go into the folder? So here's a link, a model. Every mod should have a model here with where should it be. So for example, home. Where's home? Home is in Euro Truck Simulator 2, where the profiles and mods are. And Nick is the person who made this mod. So if you don't see a folder inside of the mod here, you need to make your own. So for example, I'm gonna copy Nick. I'm gonna create a new folder. I'm gonna paste the name in here and press enter. And let me make this a bit bigger. There you go. So I added one folder that is Nick. And what he want is also Scania inside. So there's no Nick so there's no Scania inside. I will be making another new folder inside, which is named Scania. There you go. So after that, once you finish every step inside the model, and make sure the file is the same name with TIR add-on. So yes, it's TIR add-on. And we're gonna be dragging it and place it into Scania so that the whole link works. The whole link fits with the model. So for me is home, Nick, Scania, and TR add-on. That's it. That's all you need. And we can close down this thing and ta-da. Once we are done that, we can go to the menu and load the game. Alright, so my game is loaded. And there you go. Our mod is now here. Look at that. Our truck is very nice now. So, my tutorial is finished now. Hopefully you all now know how to save edit. Because save editing is something that eats your performance on your truck, on your game. Performance on your game. If you enjoyed and felt like you've learned something, please comment down below. You did learn something from me. And I really hope you all have a good day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. My tutorial is now finished. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and open the notifications. Bye.